Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why your car shudders when turning, and how to fix it. Ever notice your car shuddering when you turn the wheel? It's more than just an annoyance. It could signal a serious problem lurking beneath the hood. Whether it's a worn-out suspension, bad tires, or issues with the power steering, identifying the root cause is crucial. In this video, we'll break down the common reasons why cars shudder during turns and what you can do to fix it. Don't wait for it to get worse. Keep reading to safeguard your ride and your peace of mind. Understanding the issue. Cars that shudder when turning can indicate underlying problems that need attention. Understanding the reasons behind this issue and the safety concerns associated with it is crucial for maintaining a safe driving experience. Possible causes. Worn-out steering components. A common cause of a car shuddering when turning is worn-out steering components such as tie rods or ball joints. When these parts wear down, they can cause vibrations that are felt when turning the steering wheel. Low power steering fluid. Inadequate power steering fluid levels can lead to difficulty in steering and result in vibrations or shuddering when making turns. Imbalanced or worn tires. Uneven tire wear or imbalanced tires can cause the vehicle to shake or shudder during turns. Proper tire maintenance is essential to prevent this issue. Safety concerns. Addressing the issue of a car shuddering when turning promptly is critical for ensuring the safety of both the driver and passengers. Ignoring the problem can lead to further damage to the vehicle and potentially hazardous driving conditions. Unresolved steering issues can affect the driver's ability to maneuver the car safely, especially when navigating turns or corners. This can compromise the overall control and stability of the vehicle, increasing the risk of accidents. By addressing the possible causes of the shuddering promptly and seeking professional assistance when needed, drivers can maintain a safe and secure driving experience for themselves and others on the road. Regular vehicle inspections and maintenance are essential to prevent and address such issues timely. Diagnosing the problem. When your car starts to shudder as you navigate a turn, it can be a concerning experience. Understanding the potential causes can help you address the issue promptly. Here's how to diagnose the problem effectively. Symptoms to watch out for. Noticing certain signs can indicate that your car is shuddering when turning. Keep an eye out for vibrations felt through the steering wheel or the entire vehicle, especially when making sharp or wide turns. You may also hear strange noises like clunking or grinding sounds coming from the wheels. Professional inspection. Seeking a professional mechanic's expertise is crucial when your car exhibits shuddering during turns. Mechanics have the training and tools to conduct thorough inspections and pinpoint the exact cause of the issue. They can accurately diagnose underlying problems that may not be visible to an untrained eye. D-checks. Before heading to the mechanic, there are a few simple checks you can perform at home to identify potential issues. Start by inspecting your tires for uneven wear or bulges, as these can lead to vibrations during turns. Additionally, check your wheel nuts to ensure they are properly tightened, as loose nuts can cause shuddering sensations. By paying attention to these symptoms and performing basic checks, you can gain insight into why your car shudders when turning. Remember, timely diagnosis and repairs are key to maintaining your vehicle's safety and performance on the road. Common solutions. When your car shudders while turning, several common issues may be at play. Let's delve into 3 primary areas to troubleshoot and address this problem: tire issues, suspension problems, and steering system concerns. Tire issues. Your tires play a crucial role in how your car handles, including turning smoothly. If your tires are worn unevenly or have low tread depth, it can cause vibrations and shuddering when turning. Additionally, misaligned or unbalanced tires can contribute to this problem. Regularly checking your tire condition and ensuring proper alignment and balance can help alleviate these issues. Suspension problems. The suspension system of your car absorbs shocks from the road and maintains stability while driving, including when turning. If components such as shocks, struts, or bushings are worn out or damaged, it can lead to vibrations and shuddering during turns. Regular inspection and maintenance of your suspension system can help prevent these issues and ensure a smoother driving experience. Steering system concerns. Issues in the steering system can also result in shuddering when turning. Problems such as a failing power steering pump, worn-out steering rack components, or low power steering fluid levels can cause difficulties in steering and manifest as vibrations during turns. Checking and maintaining your steering system components can help address and prevent these issues. By addressing tire issues, suspension problems, and steering system concerns, you can tackle common reasons behind your car shuddering when turning. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely on the road. Preventative measures. Car troubles like shuddering when turning can be a headache, but there are ways to prevent them. By taking a proactive approach through regular maintenance and being mindful of your driving habits, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering such issues. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your car in top condition and preventing unexpected problems like shuddering when turning. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule for oil changes, tire rotations, fluid checks, and overall inspections. By staying on top of these routine checks, you can catch potential issues early on and address them before they escalate into more significant problems. Driving habits. In addition to regular maintenance, your driving habits play a crucial role in the health of your vehicle. Simple practices like avoiding abrupt or aggressive turns, especially at high speeds, can help reduce wear and tear on your car's components, minimizing the chances of experiencing shuddering or other handling issues. Smooth and steady driving not only extends the lifespan of your vehicle but also enhances your safety on the road. Taking these preventative measures may require a bit of effort, but the peace of mind that comes with knowing your car is well taken care of is well worth it. By staying proactive and mindful of your car's maintenance and driving habits, you can enjoy a smooth and trouble-free driving experience for miles to come. After delving into the reasons why your car shudders when turning, it's important to remember that timely maintenance and proactive care can go a long way in preventing such issues. By being vigilant and addressing any unusual symptoms promptly, you can ensure a smoother and safer driving experience. Remember, your vehicle's health is pivotal to your safety on the road, so don't hesitate to seek professional help if you encounter persistent shuddering or other concerning signs. Stay safe and enjoy the thrill of the open road without the worry of unexpected car troubles. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.